Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the two training cards in the India card space, Scapia credit card and the Celesta credit card. If you've ever wondered which credit card is right for your lifestyle, especially when it comes to travel, rewards, or premium perks, then today's video is just for you. Let's review each card, see their features and pricing, as well as their pros and cons before we come to a conclusion. We start with the Scapia credit card. The Scapia credit card is a modern travel-first card developed in partnership between Federal Bank and the Scapia fintech app. It's built with digital natives in mind, people who travel frequently, who prefer cashless transactions, and who want quick app-based onboarding. Once you apply through the Scapia app, the approval process is instant. You get access to your virtual card immediately, and the physical card gets delivered within a few days. This card is lifetime free, meaning there's no joining fee and there's no annual renewal charges. And here's the kicker, it charges zero forex fees as well on international transactions, which is a huge plus if you frequently travel abroad or you shop from international websites. Now let's talk about the Celesta credit card. This one is Federal Bank's own premium offering. It's designed for affluent individuals who spend across categories like travel, dining, entertainment, and shopping. Like Scapia, the Celesta card is also lifetime free, so you don't have to worry about annual charges. But unlike Scapia, it offers a more well-rounded reward system that gives you accelerated points on specific categories. You get 3 times rewards on travel and international spending. You get 2 times reward on dining and 1 times on everything else. There's also a 1% fuel surcharge waiver at all fuel stations across India. So, while Scapia focuses mainly on travel, Celesta tries to cover the broader lifestyle spectrum. Now let us talk about the main features of each cards. We start with the Scapia credit card. Zero joining and annual fees. Yes, truly lifetime free. Zero forex markup. There are no additional charges on international transactions. Scapia coins reward system. So typically 5 Scapia coins is equivalent to 1 rupee. And you get discounts on all spends and when booking travel through the app. Domestic lounge access. No cashback or points conversion fees, so coins can be fully redeemed against travel bookings. And it's a fully digital experience. Instant application, instant virtual card, and you can track everything via the app. How about the features of the Celesta credit card? Zero joining and annual fees as well. Again, truly lifetime free. The reward system. 3 times on travel and international spends, 2 times on dining, and 1 times on all other categories. There's also a welcome voucher that is included, and complimentary lounge access per quarter and per year. Once every calendar month, you also have Virgo movie tickets at Inox. And there are discounts on dining as well on select partner restaurants. As earlier mentioned, there's also a 1% fuel surcharge waiver at all fuel stations across India. And as regards the welcome bonus, it is right here. We welcome you with early benefits. You get Amazon Pay e-voucher worth 600 rupees on minimum spend of 10,000 rupees in the first 30 days. That's generous. And you also gain access to a wide variety of visa offers and deals. Having talked about this, let's review the pricing once again. One of the biggest selling points for both cards is that they are completely free. There's no joining fee, there's no annual maintenance fee, and that makes them both extremely competitive. However, with the Celesta credit card, there are some minor charges like the reward redemption fee and a forex markup on international transactions. Scapia, on the other hand, does not charge for redemption and also does not apply any forex fees. So if you travel abroad or you shop on international platforms, this gives Scapia a slight edge. Now, what are the pros and cons of using both cards? We start with the pros. For Scapia, no fees ever. Zero forex markup, which makes it excellent for international use. And lounge access, if your monthly spend target is met. There's digital first approach as well, which makes it easy and fast to manage. How about the pros of Celesta? Versatile reward categories, complimentary lounge access with no spending requirements. There's also fuel and movie ticket benefits, and the 600 rupees Amazon voucher is a nice welcome perk. How about the cons? For the Scapia card, lounge access is conditional, and coins can only be redeemed for travel within the app. For Celesta, the forex markup fees makes it less ideal for international use, and there's the reward redemption fee as well. Movie offers are limited to only Inox and it's just once per month. So having discussed all of this, the big question is this: which one is the best credit card in 2025? Well, let me say this: if you are a frequent traveler, especially internationally, the Scapia credit card is clearly the winner. Because with zero forex charges, a high reward rate, and unlimited lounge access, it's hard to beat. And the digital first approach is refreshing and easy to use as well. But if you're looking for a more well-rounded lifestyle card, which means you love eating out, you love going to the movies, and you love traveling occasionally, then Celesta is the better option because the reward system ensures that you are earning across multiple spend categories. The lounge access, as well as the movie tickets, the fuel waivers, and the discounts on dining give it added utility for everyday life. So both are excellent. But for travel, Scapia is the best, and a balanced lifestyle, Celesta comes first. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Regalia Credit Card, SBI Card Prime, and Axis Bank Magnus Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.